Brajesh Pathak is an Indian politician and member of 17th Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh. Currently he is serving as the Deputy Chief Minister and Cabinet Minister of Legislative, Justice, Rural Engineering Service in the Uttar Pradesh government. He is also an ex-member of Parliament of Unnao from 2004 to 2009. Pathak was born on 25 June 1964 to Suresh Pathak in Malawan, Hardoi district, Uttar Pradesh. He is a lawyer by profession. He received a degree of Bachelor of Laws from University of Lucknow. In 2004, Pathak was asked to work for the Bahujan Samaj Party and became the Member of Parliament. In the next few years he was entrusted with the responsibility of organizing the party's activities for the entirety of Uttar Pradesh. He joined Bharatiya Janata Party in presence of its national president Amit Shah and Union Minister Mahesh Sharma in Lucknow. In 17th Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh elections, he was elected member of the Legislative Assembly from Lucknow Central of Lucknow district in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.